This high-protein breakfast is full of vegetables and flavor and highly customizable. This is tomato omelet rings. The first thing I'm going to do is slice the tomato. So this is very large. So I don't want it too thin and I don't want it too thick. Okay, that's good. That's what I want right there. And I'm going to slice through it. See how that works. Oh, good. Perfect. And that's what you want to end up with. Now, if you don't have a cookie cutter like this, you can just use a knife and just trim around the inside of the tomato. And there's our third ring. Okay, that gives you a good idea. Now I'm going to chop the inside of the tomato. All right, I have 2 eggs. The amount is up to you. The ingredients you add are also up to you, but this is what I'm doing today. So I have 2 eggs. And now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Now I did drain them on a paper towel because there's a lot of liquid in tomatoes. So tomatoes going in. I have a green pepper. I cut that up earlier today. I have some garlic. If you don't like garlic, don't use it. I think that should be plenty. And I also have some cheese. Now we love cheese. This is sharp cheddar. And can you see that? Mm-hmm. Just mixing that up. I'm using a measuring cup because I want to be able to pour it into the rings. Okay, now I'm going to add the tomato rings. I have butter in my pan, or you could use oil. Make the temperature lower.
Say what you're adding.
I added pepper. Now I'm going to add some salt. And then I'm going to add some bacon. I've cooked up and I chopped it. Now we're going to have tomato omelet rings. All right.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Can I cut into it?
Yes, absolutely. I actually had this for breakfast this morning.
How was it?
It was good.
It looks healthy.
It is. That's kind of the idea.
It's hot. Very nice.
I like it. So you can do any combination of ingredients you want. I think mine needs a little more salt, like always.
Perfect.
But it's something different, healthier option for you.
Very delicate.
Very delicate.
Nice flavors. Mm-hmm. I love tomatoes. And I usually like a tomato on top, just a sliced cold tomato on top of scrambled eggs in some mornings. So I enjoy tomatoes. I never had this though.
I know, this is totally different.
Reminds me of the gas house egg my mom would make, where she took a piece of bread and a glass and took the center out.
Oh, yeah.
Cracked the egg in the frying pan inside of a piece of bread, and we liked those as kids. Then we used the piece of bread that she cut out as to dip in the yolk.
Yeah, to soak up any liquid.
It was cool to watch you cut the center out of this.
I know.
Very nice.
Takes a little practice, but otherwise, yeah, definitely. I would recommend this. So don't forget to like and subscribe. 2 videos a week. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome to all new subscribers. We'll see you next time with another great recipe.